kick things off, I want to give a backstory. A couple days ago, me and my girlfriend went out to breakfast. We were talking. Build, quote unquote, and I end up making like 100 grand off it. No one will bat an eye. No one bats an eye. One winner. You only give away one winner. You either get the car and like 10 grand cash or whatever, blah 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 blah. But when I do it, or someone like me do it, then it's a problem. We're money hungry. We're taking advantage. I just don't understand why it's so hard for us to do things who have good intentions on doing those things always get the shit end of the stick. You know what I mean? It's just like, I don't know. I woke up this morning feeling really like, damn, I really want to talk about this because maybe someone would have answers for me. And I'm going to actually read the comments in this video, and I guarantee now that they probably won't be as negative. They're going to be a positive, but then the video after this, they're going to go back to shit talking me. It's just, I don't get it. I don't get it. I try my best to put in quality content each time that I upload. I put effort into everything that I do, whether it's car related now, because sometimes the half-ass stuff. If it works, it works. But I do put effort in everything that I do. I just want to know, why is it so hard, bruh? Pause. I guess it's just how it goes for people like me, you know? And I know a lot of people get mad about me saying it again, but I said it before. The whole automotive industry, YouTube thing, wanting to be a time attack driver, stuff like that. Bro, look at my skin tone, bruh. You know this ain't. You look at all these popping YouTubers with the cool sponsorships, the cool partnerships, doing all the, getting flown out to these car events, test driving new cars, bro. You don't see. Do you see this? You don't see this, bruh. You don't see it, dog. And I'm not trying to say, like, again, I gotta keep reiterating that I'm not trying to come across as like me hating or just blaming it all on race, but like I am trying to break that barrier where I'm actually standing next to my colleagues, bruh. I am trying to be that person to where all these little black boys and girls and the young black people can have someone to look up to in this industry that's not dominated by our race. You know what I mean? Like, there's a few people out there making noise, but it's not a lot of us. You know, there's not a person on this, I guess, platform that's really, you know, like me, that people can really relate to about, you know, growing up the way we grew up, you know, coming from a piss poor, low income family, you know what I mean? So it's like, I'm trying to be that vessel, that person that, you know, made a way, in a sense where, like, you know, like I'm trying my best. And, you know, it gets hard, bruh. Like, I was watching a Jackie Robinson movie the other night, first time ever, when that coach on the Philly team was just like calling Jackie all types of racial slurs and this, that, and the third, and he just went inside like the little walkway and was just like, ah. I'll put a clip. That right there is how I be feeling when I read my comments, because it's like, fuck, you know, like, what all I gotta do? You feel me? How come I'm trying my best, dog. I gotta make sure, like, when I'm saying things in the video, I gotta make sure I'm articulating myself in a way where I can't afford to make mistakes. But fuck it, I am who I am. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna call cars wrong. I don't give a fuck. That's just who I am, dog. Hopefully I express my true concerns of, like, just wanting to know where's the disconnect. I want you guys to comment, what am I doing that's wrong? What am I missing? Why is it that I'm constantly getting shitted on? I just want to know why. Like, from the people that do comment negative, here's your chance to actually tell me what's going on. Cause I know none of y'all will ever say this shit in my face. I just, not to say like, oh, I'm gonna beat your ass, but let's be real. No one ever comes across disrespectful in person when they meet people that they talk shit about online. It never happens. but you feel so empowered to do it on the computer and your phone and stuff. So tell me, Playboy. Sound off in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be sure to see you guys tomorrow with an actual video. But for now, I leave y'all with this. Let me know what you think. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.